Equivalence. Equivalence or equivalent may refer to arts and entertainment. Album equivalent unit, a measurement unit in the music industry or industry. Industry or 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 equivalence class music. Equivalent Roman 8 or The Bricks, a Minimalist Sculpture by Carl Andre. Equivalence, a series of photographs of clouds by Alfred Stieglitz. Language. Dynamic and formal equivalence in translation. Equivalence formal languages. Law. The doctrine of equivalence in patent law. The equivalence principle as if impacts on the direct effect of European Union law. Logic. Logical equivalence, where two statements are logically equivalent if they have the same logical content. Material equivalence, a relationship where the truth of either one of the connected statements requires the truth of the other. Science and technology. Chemistry. Equivalent chemistry. Equivalence point. Equivalent weight. Computing. Turing equivalence theory of computation, or Turing completeness, semantic equivalence in computer metadata. Economics. Certainty equivalent, a principle related to risk premium. Economic equivalence, a concept in engineering economics. Ricardian equivalence, or Ricardo-de Vitti-Barrow equivalence, a proposition in economics. Mathematics. Equality mathematics. Equivalence relation. Equivalence class. Equivalence of categories in category theory. Equivalent infinitesimal. Matrix equivalence in linear algebra. Turing equivalence recursion theory. Physics. Equivalence principle in the theory of general relativity. Other uses. Equivalence trade. Moral equivalence, a term used in political debate. The equivalent, a sum paid from England to Scotland at their union in 1707,